Hey everyone, it's nearly Christmas, that magical time of year when the shops put out their most sparkly displays and Michael Bublé defrosts himself. But let's be honest, Christmas can be a bit brutal on the bank balance, can't it? Fear not, because today we're talking about planning a magical Christmas getaway without maxing out your credit card. Dreaming of sipping hot chocolate under the northern lights or strolling through a Christmas market, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and give the video a like so you don't miss out on any of our festive wisdom. The first step to becoming a travel ninja and bagging yourself a bargain Christmas trip is to think like a bargain hunter. Websites like Skyscanner and Kayak are your new best friends. They're like those helpful elves in Santa's workshop, always working behind the scenes to find you the best prices. But here's a little secret the travel industry doesn't want you to know. Flexibility is key. Flying on less popular days, like midweek or a few days before Christmas, can save you a fortune. Sign up for travel blogs and newsletters. They're like your gossipy Christmas aunts, always full of juicy tips and insider information. You'll be the first to know about flash sales, airfares, and all sorts of travel bargains. Now, let's talk destinations. We all dream of a white Christmas in Paris, but let's be honest, Paris in December is more crowded than Santa's sleigh on Christmas Eve. But fear not, my budget-conscious travel buddies. There are plenty of other enchanting destinations that won't break the bank. Think Eastern Europe, my friends. Countries like Romania, Hungary, and Poland are like hidden gems on the Christmas map. They offer stunning Christmas markets, charming medieval towns, and enough festive cheer to make even the Grinch crack a smile. Plus, your money will go further than a reindeer pulling a sleigh full of presents. And the best part? These destinations are often less crowded, which means you can actually enjoy the Christmas markets without getting trampled by a horde of tourists. The early bird catches the cheap flight. Booking your flights and accommodation well in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season, is like wrapping your Christmas presents early. It saves you stress and money. And speaking of saving money, don't forget about those loyalty programs. Join every airline and hotel loyalty program you can find. Some airlines even offer cheaper fares just for being a member of their loyalty program. It's like they're giving you an early Christmas present just for being loyal. How lovely is that? Free fun in a winter wonderland. You don't have to spend a fortune to experience the magic of Christmas. Many cities offer free Christmas events like heartwarming carol concerts or dazzling Christmas tree lightings. And if you're lucky enough to be in a snowy destination, embrace the free entertainment, building a snowman, having a snowball fight, or simply going for a winter walk. These are the things Christmas memories are made of. Remember, Christmas is about spending time with loved ones, not about spending a small fortune. So put away your credit card and embrace the simple joys of the season. Pack light, travel like a pro. We've all been there, sweating under the weight of our luggage. Fear not, my friends, for I'm here to share the secrets of packing light. Travel with just a carry-on bag to avoid extra fees. Packing cubes maximize space and keep you organized. Roll your clothes and choose versatile items. Merry, budget-friendly travel. So there you have it, my top tips for planning an unforgettable and, more importantly, affordable Christmas trip. Remember, Christmas is about making memories, not about breaking the bank. Ditch those overpriced destinations, pack light, and embrace the festive spirit. If you have any questions or you'd like to share your own budget-friendly Christmas travel tips, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, happy holidays and happy travels.